How to start investing in 2022. What you need to know. You want to start investing but you don't know where to start. Here is a beginner's guide to investing. Do you think it's time to get into investing but don't know where to start? It's completely fine. Knowing where to park your money right now isn't easy. With inflation running rampant and the stock market topsy-turvy, it can be quite hard to make the right call. How to start investing for the first time? Well, for starters, investing doesn't have to be complicated or confusing. On the contrary, investing in your future might be one of the best long-term decisions you will ever make, especially if you're a few decades from retirement. Make sure you have an emergency fund. Before you start investing, set aside some money in your rainy day aka emergency fund, and keep it separately from the money you are planning to invest. Consider your budget and investment strategy. After you have enough money set aside in your rainy day fund, review your budget and invest as much as you can or feel comfortable doing. Keep in mind that even $5 can sometimes be enough to invest. Small amounts add up over time. But it's important to be consistent and start investing as soon as you can. Lump sum strategy. As the name implies, this strategy entails investing a large amount of money at one time. Dollar cost averaging, DCA strategy. This strategy simply means buying a certain amount of an asset at regular intervals, regardless of its price. Determine your risk tolerance. Before putting all your money in, say, stocks or cryptocurrency, you may want to first know your risk tolerance. That's why the construction of your portfolio, the mix of stocks, bonds, crypto, precious metals, etc., should reflect that risk tolerance. Lump sum investing is not without risk, but it can be a good way to build wealth quickly after an unexpected jackpot. Where should I start investing? In short, you start by knowing your options that very often depend on the country you live in and the amount of money you have available for investment. Keep in mind that even $5 can sometimes be enough to invest. Small amounts add up over time, but it's important to be consistent and start investing as soon as you can. Investing in bonds. Bonds are a way for an organization, for example, a company, a municipality, or a local government to raise money. Let's say your local government asks you to invest a certain amount of money to fund a public project, such as the construction of a highway or school.